Want to maximize your cold chain efficiency? Remove the stress and financial strain of surplus packaging stock and fluctuations in demand, and use ORCA Rental, a reliable on-demand service that enables you to simplify your cold chain processes and maximize efficiency. Select what you need when you need it, including preconditioning and logger integration options, qualified in our ISTA certified laboratory to suit your specifications, with the ability to select multiple journey legs. It's that simple. And once your project is completed, the packaging is returned to us where it's refurbished for further use, eliminating unnecessary waste, accelerating your company's commitment to sustainability. Join our global customers and try ORCA Rental for yourself to maximize the efficiency of your cold chain.